let's see arithmetic operators in Python. So basically, if we have two variables, let's say x is equal to 10, and then we have y equals to 11, and then actually we can add these two value with a simple math operators here, x plus y for addition, and then we can use minus for subtraction, and then we can use the star sign for multiplication, and then the slash sign for division. So this is the basic math here. And then if we want to let's say we want to deep dive into the arithmetic, like how to do modulus. So actually you can use the percentage sign here. So let's say we want to create a modulus of 22 to 10. So and then to print this value, we can just put print, and then we put z here. So actually if you want to put string before the z, so let's say the modulus 22, and then 10, and then we can put plus, but we need to convert the z into string first, or else we can use the real data type here, and then we put the comma sign here. So the comma sign will combine this um, uh, string here and then with the data type here. So if we run, then we can get the answer is 2. So this is the modulus. So then how we do the exponent? So let's say we want to check the exponent of, let's say maybe we put the 4, 2, and then here we put the z. So exponent. So to do exponent, we use double multiplication. Okay, if we use the single star here, and then this means a multiplication, but if you use double star here, this means exponent. Okay, so we can get the 16. And then how do we do let's say division, but the floor division? So let's say we want to make if we use 4 9 divide by let's say 2, so the answer is of course 4.5. So how do we get the answer of 4? With a floor division, we call it a floor division. So we can use a double slash here. So double slash means floor division, so the answer will be 4 here. Okay, so this is the floor division.